everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video, quick video test with the Google Pixel 5 5G. I do have some music in the background that is non-copyright music, so I don't get myself into trouble. So we're at 1080p 30 frames per second with the Google Pixel 5 as I'm finding a parking spot here at Albertsons. Got to pick up some groceries and yeah, it's been a long week, a lot going on, and got a free moment here just to create a little bit of content with the Google Pixel 5, utilizing the front-facing cam at 1080p, 30 frames per second. So let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds, stabilization, all of that down below in the comment section, man. Leave some feedback. I'm going to purposely circle around just so I can continue to talk for a couple more minutes. And then I'm going to park right over there somewhere. Of course, you don't know where over there somewhere is, but what's important is that I do. Anyway, I hope you're all doing good to great. And if you're not having a good day, I hope it gets better. I hope it gets better, man. I think that's what I'm going to give you right now as far as this video test at 1080p 30 frames per second with the Google Pixel 5. Again, let me know how everything looks. I didn't say anything about the audio quality, but yeah, how everything looks, stabilization, and the audio quality. That's very important. Just listening to that music in the background, me talking, and just driving around for a few moments. How did everything look? How did everything sound? And again, stability. That's very important. Even with the dash mount that I'm using, that's at times a little extra shaky and could be a little bit rattly. Yeah, let me know how that did. But I'm sure that the Google Pixel 5 handled itself pretty darn well. So anyway, thanks for watching. Peace. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I am out.